So, as we wait, get prepared. Today we are looking at the financial accounting, and the question is incomplete records. The question is incomplete records, specifically August 2022. Before we look at the question, get the past paper, we'll go. So, okay. Event, what do you need to know before answering the financial accounting questions? So the first thing you should understand is to get the format. So make sure that you know the format from the top up to the down, because that's where there will be a lot of marks. That's where there will be a lot of marks. So remember, examiner, they don't mark the final answer when it comes to the financial accounting. When it comes to the financial accounting, they mark the entries. They marked the entries. So make sure that you understand the format very well. You understand the format. So for example, if you are getting, if you have been asked the income statement, you have been asked for income statement. Obviously, you know, we start by taking sales. We come to the cost of sales. This one should be on hand. It is not something that you should be reminded, but it's something that you must have it on your fingertips. So that you come to the what? Inventory, which is the opening inventory. We have the purchases, and then there is carriage inward. If there's any transportation, we add this transportation. Then obviously we have closing stock. So we less closing stock. This is what you should be having in your mind. It's not that you should refer to somewhere else. So after getting that, the total closing, the cost of sales, you subtract from sales so that you can arrive at what is called the gross profit. So that you can arrive at what is called gross profit. Then you add other incomes. If it happens that you have other incomes, which are these incomes? We have discount received. You add if there is any rental income. If there's any rental income, you add, you get your total income. Get your total income. So this is the format you should have. If you have been asked for any income statement question, this is the format which you should have. After that, from there, you less expenses. Now, my good student, or the good student who don't want to miss any marks, he should start from additional information. If it is number one, make sure that you are captured that. Most probably, in a bad debt, it's normally bad debt. It's normally depreciation. Also, that additional information, it involves accruals and prepayment, maybe of insurance, prepayments and accrual of insurance. Also, it might be rent or electricity. And then that is under additional information. But this one, it also have adjustment with what you have been provided in a trial balance. It has adjustment of what you have been provided in a trial balance. So you make sure that you do that adjustment. So let me know if you have any challenge from this adjustment in the comment section. So if you have any challenge in your comment section about depreciation, prepayment, and accruals, adjustment, comment down to there, and we will be able to assist you. So after getting that, that could be your total expenditure, less it from the gross profit or the total income. After lessing from the total income, then we arrive at the net income. We arrive at the net income. So this is now we will check whether the question itself has provided us with the tax rate. If we have the tax rate, then we can probably get the taxable income from this net income. So that is basic format of the income statement. Any question which is for income statement, you get free marks. How do you get these free marks? This is free marks. This is free marks. This is free marks. This is free mark. So all these are free marks, except maybe on the part of depreciation, and on the part of the prepayment and accruals. So if you don't know how to adjust the prepayment and accrual, maybe you can miss 2 or 1 marks. But if that question is 10 marks, make sure that you guarantee yourself 8 marks. Make sure that you guarantee yourself 8 marks. So this is a simplicity format. I don't want we put a lot of decoration. Financial accounting, they don't have the lot of decoration. It's just a format, and there is no standard format. There is no standard format. There's no standard format. So make sure that you have that format. So I will ship a bit to the financial analysis class, and I just wanted to share with you that format before I ship to the financial analysis class. So thank you for your coming in, and